And we are now getting you a report from Assam where there's some sense of relief as the COVID cases have plateaued and the positivity rate has dropped to 6.4%. However, the fear that looms large when it comes to black fungus cases increasing. Here's that report.
The number of COVID positive cases in the state of Assam has shown slight improvement even as the government has ramped up random testing at various locations. Right now we are outside the Guwahati Medical College Hospital screening center, and here also, as per the directive of the health department, the total number of RT-PCR tests done regularly has been ramped up by 20% against the number of rapid antigen tests conducted at various facilities across the state. Meanwhile, even as the state is fighting against the COVID pandemic, a new threat has been posed by the black fungus infection, which has been reported from several private nursing homes in the state. And yesterday, the health department has declared the black fungus infection as an epidemic and also have issued SOP in regards to contain the black fungal infection in the state. The state government has made it very clear that the state have all the resources and the medicines, particularly the MPOB injection, which is required to treat patients with black fungal infections. Meanwhile, inter-district movement have been closed in the state from today onward and banning those services which are considered to be essential. All other transportation or mode of transportation will remain suspended.